Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another unboxing. Gonna go ahead, grab the box in the back and get into it. So here is the box of the day. So go ahead, toss the box out. The box is fire. Size 11, Jordan 4 Retro. Retail was $190. Paid $205 after shipping. And taxes, I think, was included as well, but it's $205 and change. But we're gonna go ahead, flip these guys. Woo, clean. Oh, they're buttery. The leather feels good. Jordan 4. Metallic purple, size 11. Nice shine on it. They're smelling leathery. Very, yeah. These are 11. They look huge. I did buy these to resell, but they are my size. But I bought, oh my god, I'm like dropping stuff. I bought a pair of purple and black pants yesterday from Jaded London. I don't know if you guys know what that is. They're from London. They're black and purple lightning bolt pants. Like, they're pants, but jeans. And since these are my size, I might have to keep these for the toe, since they're purple. I don't know yet. I have time to decide. And these really aren't reselling for too much, but a lot of stuff I'll just like try to get in hand just to see them, and then if I sell them locally, even if I'm making 20 bucks quick, because I can sell them quick locally. But Jordan 4 metallic purple, excited for the other colorways to release. Not as much as these. I think the metallic purple is definitely the best. The green is cool, the red is cool, but purple on Jordans, like the court purple ones. Metallic Jordan 4s, they're clean, all white with the purple hits, similar to the Pure Moneys, but I honestly kind of like these a little bit more. I just like the purple touches on it. I just think it's really clean. They're good, definitely good for summer, and purple just is a really fire color. I mean, if you don't like purple, there's something wrong with you, because purple, very, 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 very fire color. Just come on, look at it. Look at the purple. Look at the shine. Look at that. Looks good. But anyway, guys, that is a wrap for this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Jordan 4, almost said fire red. Jordan 4 metallic purple. Let me know, did you guys cop? Are you guys excited for the other colorways we're using? Also forgot this purple on the bottom as well. Let me know in the comments, did you guys cop these? Did you pass on these to get one of the other colorways of the metallic pack that are releasing at some point in the future? Let me know in the comments below. And check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, resale page, FizzKicks, clothing brand Fizz New York. Everything will be in the description below, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. That's it. Peace.